welcome to LochinvarU Toolkit giveaway drawing. So today we took a list of the 100% Club, took out everybody that had already previously won or works at Lochinvar and or A.O. Smith, and the 100% Club for today, which is July 15th, 2019, roughly noon Tennessee time. There are 16 people. So you can see my random number generator here. We have 16 people. We're going to generate a number, and the number is 4. So I go to my list. Here is the list of all of the 100% clubs as of today. It's a short list because I actually published a video last week, so these people have jumped on there and got that done very quickly. And you can see we have 16, so when I hit this randomize button, let's double check the number again. Number 4 on the list is going to win. So let's randomize it. Number 4 is Peter Smart. Congratulations, Peter Smart. You are the newest winner of the Lochinvar Toolkit. Now the rules. To win this kit, to claim the kit, you have to reply to the email I'm going to send you. So I'm going to send you an email, and you reply to that email. You have to sign the form that I'm going to give you, a release form, and then give me an address where I can ship this package. Once that has happened, I'll ship the package to you. It'll be yours. At that point, we would ask you to take a picture of yourself with it so that we can promote it on LochinvarU. And that's it. If you want to be part of the 100% Club, all you got to do is register for LochinvarU, get in there, finish all of the training that's available. That'll put you on the 100% Club, and we do these random drawings and give away this excellent toolkit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We appreciate you watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you want to show us that you're paying attention to these things. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Goodbye.